So I'm so excited. I want to share with you what's going on inside our community. And I will tell you guys this much. Being a full-time caretaker, I was stressed, overwhelmed, and financially just struggling from being unable to juggle really balancing working full-time and doing caretaking. And then I discovered this blueprint, and I discovered these digital products and how I could do it all within a 2-hour workday and get 100% profits whenever I make a sale. That blew me away. I was blown away with what it really taught me. And being able to have the ability to learn the skills to make daily pay, it is great leverage and it will change your life. So stay to the end, because you're going to be able to see what's going on inside of our community right now, what's happening, how our members are getting results, and you're going to be able to see that our program works, that this system works, especially if you are coachable. Okay, so that's what you're going to be able to see. So if you're willing to follow us in a step-by-step blueprint, then you too can learn the skills, and you can have days just like what I'm going to show you. And you can have months and weeks just like that as well, like we're having. All right. So if you want to learn more and you want to join us in this community, go ahead and comment, show me in the comments, and I will get more info to you. Let's rock.